If you've been paying Carnivore crisp prices online, you're going to want to see this. I made melt-in-your-mouth Carnivore crisps for just $4.83 a pound. This is the meat I picked up in my recent haul video. I'll link the video here so you can see exactly how I got it so cheap. And the best part about this meat is it's already sliced thin, so there is no slicer needed to make these Carnivore crisps. All I'm doing here is adding Redmond's smoked salt. That's it, no marinades or other seasonings, and no complicated prep. Sometimes the simplest recipes just turn out the best. Now comes the most difficult step for me out of the entire recipe, and that is waiting. The dehydrator does all of the work at 165 degrees for 16.5 hours. My job is just trying to refrain from opening that dehydrator door every 20 minutes to see if they're done yet. Look at those, you guys, crispy, crunchy, and loaded with that delicious fat. Now, since these are not stripped of all the good stuff, I do keep them in the fridge. Not that they stay there very long, and I've even frozen them before, but honestly, they're usually gone before that's even necessary. And at $4.83 a pound, you don't have to sell your firstborn to afford these. My wallet likes them a whole lot more than those store-bought Carnivore crisps. Today's extra special because it's my grandson's first time trying these Carnivore crisps. He's 1 year old, and with Mom's permission, we let him be the official taste tester. What? Did y'all catch this part? That little twinkle in my grandson's eye when he first realized how delicious meat is? That's a pretty good review.
Oh, is that good? Want to taste it again? Oh, big bite now, huh? Oh. Now this stuff is not tough at all. It just melts. Melts in your mouth. Is that yummy? Mm-hmm. Leo, is that yummy? Oh, he wants more. Look at that. He's reaching out for it. That's how good this stuff is, you guys. You got to get a big dehydrator so you can do all these at once on a stainless steel tray, not those plastic ones. Even my dogs want in on this action, but this is for the baby. You want a bite? Here. Little tiny one. If you see that sock down there, that's an old sock with holes that my dogs play with. We don't leave our dirty clothes out here. You want a bite? You want a bite? You want a bite? He loves it. Oh, say yummy. Oh yeah, tell Johnson to get away. See, that's mine. You want up here? Okay. Okay. You want another bite? Who is that on the phone, huh? Mmm. Say yummy. Yum. Is that delicious? You want more? Just eat a little bite. You gotta have a little tiny baby nibble. 'Cause you're a little tiny baby. Okay? Oh, see, you're so strong. You could break it. You're so strong. I'll put all the links to a dehydrator and other tools I use to make Carnivore crisps down below. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next video.